Okay guys, we're here at a pool. We'll be working on the heater. Customer states that there are rodents getting into the heater and the heater would not stay lit. So we're going to check it out, see what we got. Mastertemp. There's 4 screws. Here. And take them. In here we have some rat droppings, but does the wires look? They look okay. I don't see a nest. Looks like they was in here and they have not created a nest yet. Go ahead, let's fire it up. Right off the bat, our temperature here is stating that it's 138 degrees, 101 Fahrenheit. So we know the cool temperature, we know it's not 138, so temp sensor is bad. The air, 59, that's correct. So let's go ahead and put this into manual mode. And put it in service. We got it in service. And we'll turn everything on manually. Okay. We're gonna try to get it up to 23, about 3,300 RPM. Let's go ahead and fire them up. Put the heat pipe. Okay, as you hear, the fan kicked on, it's heating, it just started up. Okay, it shut down, so it started up, shut down. That's important to know. So it should try to start up again. Okay, just kicked on, the heat is getting hot again. And it shut off again. So it's going through all the stages, but once it starts, it's shutting off. So that means we have a problem with if it's a Flue sensor or flame sensor, but this particular model does not have a flame sensor. So we're going to replace the Flue sensor right there. We got these 2 wires on it. Just want to start the cleanup. Okay. And it's going to do that a couple times. Once it does that a few times, then it's going to go ahead and shut down. But we're going to go ahead and turn it off because we're going to go ahead and change the Flue sensor out. So let's go here, shut it off. Let's shut the power down. It's going to keep running. It will run until it has time to get the coils cooled off. So here's our Flue sensor. This is an aftermarket. This is not the original. Okay, shut down. So we got two wires here. Unplug these. 2. So we got these 2 wires here. There's no order. They need to be hooked up. Use our crescent. Let me see if I get some light. Okay, so this is the Flue here, sticking out. Use right here. There's the Flue sensor. Okay, got it loose. So we're gonna unscrew it. Here we go. Okay, let's change it out. I was going to put Teflon on it, but as you can see, the old one didn't have Teflon. So, and this one doesn't have Teflon. So I'm not going to put Teflon on it, probably because it gets too hot. So we're not going to mess with it. So let's see here. Old, generic. See here, they look the same. Everything. Okay. So we're gonna go back. Screw this one in place. Okay. Just gonna tighten them up. Snugged it up. Okay, we're gonna hook up these wires. Hold it. I need both my hands. Okay, we got it hooked up. Get my phone. Alright, now we're gonna fire it back up. See what we got. Let's hit this heater button. Came on. It's still on this thing. Sit up. Call for heat. Starting up. Got heat. Okay, we'll let it run. While it's running, we're gonna get this little hose and let some of this junk out of here. See, it's still running. It's gonna get 5 minutes. It's at 51 degrees. We're gonna see it. We're gonna get it 52. We're gonna see it at 1 degrees. I'm gonna put this panel back on. So we got it on, we got a 2, was at 51, now it's at 52. This was the culprit, the Flue sensor. What this does, this recognizes the flame coming out of here. So when everything is started up and the gas valve is the last thing to open and it starts up the flame, this is to make sure the flame is going, because if the flame is not going, gas is just, if it's not on fire, that means a bunch of gas is pouring out. And this is a safety feature that shuts it down, so you don't have a big gas leak and gas is everywhere and there's no flame. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.